Hey everyone, it's been a while since I've recorded a video, but I'm here today with a Dragapult tin. These tins released last year and they come with 2 booster packs, Sun and Moon base and I believe Darkness Ablaze. They also come with a metallic Pokemon coin and then a little promo card that connects something like this and gives you facts about the Pokemon on the back. I already took the plastic off of it, so let's get into it. Let's see what coin we got. Oh, awesome. That's such a cool coin. I recently put all my coins into a binder. It looks really nice. So that'll be a good addition to my collection. Here is the promo card. Now, eventually, once I open all of the tins, they will connect together. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna open the Sun and Moon base pack first. I hope I did that right. I can't remember the pack trick for Sun and Moon. It's been so long. Ooh, and a nice holo. Such a pretty card. Here is the code card from that pack. Enjoy. And next up, our Darkness Ablaze pack. Here is the code card. That one's so cute. So nothing great this time, but thanks for tuning in and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.